Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate real-world text using Gemini application camera. So before we start, the thing that you should know that Gemini itself does not have dedicated live camera translation feature the way like Google Translate does, but still you can use it to translate text. So let's open Gemini application on your phone, and then you want to tap live Gemini live icon that is over here. I will disable my microphone for a second, and then you want to tap camera icon to turn on your camera, and then you want to point your camera at the sign or menu or any kind of document. I have, just for example, this manual, so I will use this just as an example. And then you have to ask Gemini out loud, Gemini, what does this manual say?
That's the legal, safety, and regulatory information booklet for your Motorola device. It provides important details about using your phone safely and correctly, and it includes that information in a number of different languages.
Translate this text into Italian.
The Italian translation for that text is Informazioni legali, normative e sulla sicurezza.
So, as you have seen, as I demonstrated, Gemini is completely capable of translating real-world text using your camera. You can ask it to give you any kind of translation or meaning of any kind of words that you don't know. And you can continue asking Gemini some questions about this text. So yeah, but as I mentioned, if you want to use a real world in the real time translation, then of course you need to use Google Translate, because it will cope with that way better than Gemini. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.